Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jacob Rothberg. I've been a Kindle publisher for nearly 4 years now, making a full-time living. And in this video, I just want to give y'all a weekly update on what's going on with making money online in general, and something exciting that I'm going to mention towards the end of this video with Gumroad and making money outside of the Amazon platform. So the big first order of news I want to make, and this is probably a surprise to those who know me personally, because I haven't mentioned this at all, but I'm actually investing $100,000 into a stock. So I'm not some kind of financial advisor or investment expert. Don't do what I'm doing. This is just me sharing what I'm doing. But don't do it. I'm investing $100,000 into Chevron, the oil stock, the oil titan. Namely, I have my own reasons why I'm doing this, but one of the main reasons is that it is a stock that does give quarterly dividends. And for the past 25 years, Chevron has only been increasing its yearly dividends. And right now in 2019, they have a dividend yield of 7.1%. And yeah, things are bad with COVID right now, and the earnings report is coming at the end of the quarter. Well, they're probably going to show a loss, but I think that stock has kind of tanked down as low as it will for the year. It's down 40%. So I do see it at a discount, and the next dividend yield is coming up at the end of the month. So with 100,000 and the earnings being done quarterly, I basically make about a 1% dividend yield guaranteed at the end of the month. So, yeah, $1,000 return just for putting my money in a dividend stock. It's something. It's something, and honestly, yeah, someone could make the argument that fossil fuels are a dying commodity, and that we're gonna have green energy and the Green New Deal take over and so on. But I have my personal political beliefs, and I'm going to be bullish on fossil fuels and oil being still needed for the future. And I'm just going to leave it at that, because this is not the oil channel or the stock investing channel. But hey, I'm putting 100 grand down on oil and Chevron, and I'm going to be making some returns from that. And I'll keep you all posted on whether I go bankrupt or if this makes me a millionaire down the line. Aside from that, guys, just been really busy overall with publishing. For Romance, I have a launch going on right now for my own pen name, and just been working on a lot with clients. But what I really wanted to talk about is that I'm really excited with what's going on with Gumroad and Twitter. So if you've been following me, you know that I've been making money outside of the Amazon platform, and I made in my first 30 days with just one book that I'm an affiliate for. It's not even my book. I've made $300 in 30 days just by making a brand new Twitter account, making tweets related to my niche, my industry, and then every other day or so, I'll give out an affiliate post to the product. And this has been working really well, to the point where I made $300 and spending zero to do so. Can't really complain about that. And what I'm really excited to share is that Boris, the one who I'm collaborating with and who's teaching me all this, we are going to come up with a way to be able to run multiple accounts on both Twitter and even possibly Instagram, and be able to automate all of the postings and be able to work with influencers and really big people for their own ebooks, for their own content, or even if it means creating content for influencers that we can do partnerships with. I'm going to keep things relatively vague on what I'm explaining, but basically, guys, if you can imagine, let's say you have one account that's promoting one book, and you're making $300 a month doing that. Imagine having 10 accounts doing the same thing but they're all automated. Now you're talking about making $3,000 a month with everything that's automated, with zero spend, zero ads. All you're doing is setting up postings to be done, quotes to be done, and you're just taking in money. Now, if there's any millionaires watching this, you're probably thinking, haha, 3,000 a month. That ain't shit, Jacob. I can't be a millionaire off that. And yeah, for those of you that are making a ton of money, maybe 3,000 a month net isn't a lot for you. For the rest of us, for those of you watching, 3,000 a month net is already job replacing income. So, I'm a pretty practical guy. I could still use 3,000 a month extra to use, whether it's through investing or just buying dumb shit. It's really up to you on what you want to do. I'm an investor. I don't really have a lot of dumb shit on me right now. So that's what I'm working on. That's what we're working on. And once we prove that this works and we're going to validate it, as soon as we start on this project this week, we'll have results for you and we'll teach you all on how to do this. So no longer am I going to be the guy that's just doing Kindle publishing on Amazon. Instead, we're going to show you how to monetize ebooks outside of the Amazon system without spending a fucking dime, and being able to automate the process, give you all the secrets on how we're doing it. And once I prove firsthand that this makes money, we will show you how to do it next. So that's the promise we have to you all. Aside from that, what can I really tell you guys out in the open? I've got my publishing business going. I've uploaded 18 books, I think, in the last 4 weeks. Right, guys? So I've got 4 books remaining to upload for the month. So I've been busy. I've been mostly working, guys. I don't really know how else to say it. It's not very glamorous to be working hard, but that's the real truth behind it. That's the reality of making money online, is that it's a lot of work. It's not always about traveling or sipping pina coladas in front of the beach with a laptop on your left and some hot thought to your right that you're sipping out to. What it really comes down to is consistency and hard work, along with having a game plan, of course. If you can do that, you will sustainably, long-term, be able to make money online. And I really prove that I'm living that life just by doing YouTube videos like this. Guys, I know I'm not the most popular guy on YouTube. I've only got 3,600 subscribers. I get, on average, between 200 to maybe 400 views per video. But hey, I'm a grinder. I'll do what it takes to hit success, even if it means working my ass off every day for years. If that's what it takes to be a millionaire, and I know I'm going to get there either way, because, well, I've got inheritance anyway. I'm down for it. I'm not looking to get rich quick, neither should you. But if you take the sustainable route, you will be sure to not screw yourself when things hit the wire, like losing your access to promo codes for your audiobooks. That's gone. So you might as well be able to come up with another way to sustainably make money, and we'll have that for you. So that is the update for today, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you around. Good luck. Take care.